Today on Motorcycles Asylum, we're going to be talking about the new Carry On Smart Fold utility trailer. This will be a good quick review and I'll show you the unique features of this particular trailer. Stay tuned. Okay, here we have the new Carry On Smart Design Smart Solution Smart Fold trailer, designed to meet every challenge. Here's a QR code where you can see it in action if you want to, but I'm going to show it to you in action right here on this video. It's quite an interesting trailer. I went and picked it up this morning. The folks at my local Tractor Supply said it was the first one they had gotten in, the first of its kind, and they didn't have any of these before. They got this one this past week. We'll walk around it a little bit. This is a 6 foot by 11 foot. It's got a 2-inch coupler with a 4-pin trailer connector and a jack. And I guess with the jack, I'll show you one of my pet peeves. It doesn't come with this foot that goes down here. You have to buy that separately, which is another 15 bucks on top of what you already paid for the trailer. Come back here. Overall, it looks really good. Wrap door. The sides fold down to allow you to use it as a flatbed trailer, which is a good thing. Is it perfect? No. Things you can expect when you buy a utility trailer. It doesn't really matter what dealer you buy it from. There might be a few little scratches in the powder coat and stuff like that down there. But it's got 15-inch wheels, a 3,500-pound axle. I think it's a 3,500-pound axle. The trailer itself is rated for 2,200 or something like that, which is more than adequate. Now I know some of you guys are thinking, well, you're a motorcycle guy. Why are you reviewing this trailer? Well, to be honest with you, I was one of those motorcycle people that laughed at people who put their motorcycles on trailers. But since I started collecting and showing vintage bikes, I couldn't figure out how to ride 3 or 4 bikes to a show at one time. So, trailers become more important. Plus, you pick up a lot of junk in project bikes too. Alright, this is the first time the gate's been down since I've had it. Everything's a little stiff. If you come around back, you can see it's got LED tail lights. It's got little small LED marker lights on the side. One neat touch I like about the LED marker lights is right here, they're mounted on this little standoff. So instead of being flat with the frame, they're actually out where they're more visible. Right here. This was a tag from the dealership to remind them to make sure they got the right title to go with the right VIN number. See where the little marker light is there? That's a good feature. Now let's show you how the sides of this bed fold down. On both sides, you have a pin that you remove. You press the little button and you pull the pin out and you let it dangle. We'll do the same thing on this side. Now, you should be able to just push this forward. An instant flatbed. And the flatbed would be a good advantage to you. Early last year I went to pick up a mower for someone, and it had a 6 foot wide cutting deck. I was trying to pick it up on my old equipment trailer, which I'm getting rid of because it's really too big, too heavy duty. It's meant to haul tractors and farm equipment and stuff. And I don't have a farm anymore, so I don't really need anything that heavy duty. But even with that trailer being 6 foot wide, it had sides on it. So therefore, you couldn't haul a 6 foot cutting mower deck because it was actually 6.5 foot wide. least with this one, I could pick it up with the engine crane and set it on here and be able to haul it. So that's how this works and how it looks. A lot of times it might take two people to put the back up. I don't know. It took two people to start with. Let's see if I can do it by myself this time. Well, it's breaking loose more. I think the paint has all the joints stuck. They're really stiff. I'll probably need to lube that up some. Now come over here. Come in closer. It's got this little guide right here. This goes over this plate right here. You line up these holes, stick that back through, and that's how you lock it back into place. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And see, it also has a hole right here. When you push this down, you can put your lock pin through here. And you can haul this thing with the sides folded down without having to worry about them bouncing anywhere. I should have showed you that while I had it down. Now I'm going to try to load some cargo onto it, and we'll see how much room. I do have some removable motorcycle chocks I'm going to install on that. I'll go through all that later. But for right now, I just want to get this video out and show you this trailer. It's $24.99 as of today in July of 2025 at Tractor Supply. So it's a fair deal. I was going to get a smaller assemble it yourself trailer, but by the time I figured up the purchasing of all the parts, the purchasing of the lumber that was not included, and the value of my time, I actually came out better off to buy a trailer that was ready to go. And this one was a unique new trailer, and I really wanted to try it out, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So let's go get a motorcycle or a trike or something and load it up on here. Well, there you have it, people. This is the largest, heaviest, quote-unquote, motorcycle that I own. This trailer will be plenty big enough to haul 2, 3, maybe even 4 motorcycles, depending on the size. Like I said, I will be loading motorcycles on it and figuring out where to install the removable wheel chocks. Or I might add an E-track to it or something like that. Well, for now, this looks good, and I'm happy with it so far. And I think I made the right thing, made the right decision. Buying this, I think I made the right decision. Buying this trailer, because I needed a smaller flatbed trailer to be able to haul multiple motorcycles to shows, and also to pick up multiple project bikes to bring back to the shop for future videos. So that's it for now. Remember, this is the Carry On Smart Fold 6x11 trailer. I got it at Tractor Supply. And as for now, keep riding, keep wrenching, and stay crazy.